Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm only I.
It is afternoon though.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, may I ask the question?
Yes, eh?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I had a question. You told that today I will say it.
Ah, now just let me start the class. Okay. আচ্ছা দিব্যাঙ্কা দা question is clear তো that doubt? Okay. Now just look at this. I'm sharing the screen. Devolin, you also have a doubt. Acha, at first let me complete few sums. Then I am coming to everyone. Okay, one by one. Clear to? Okay. Look. All of you can see the screen. Up to which sum done, that simplification, and also some portion of fraction, right? Ipshita Debolin, I'll come just after solving few sums, okay? Okay? Okay. Now sum number 18 up to D was done, right? Okay, now start from E. Look at the screen. All of you are able to see the screen. E. Shomojit, you can't see the screen. Shomojit? Just wait. Yes, Shomojit, I am unmute yourself and say.
Ma'am, I am telling your screen is black, but ma'am, yesterday we do also the ma'am. You are telling I hear your voice and the screen is black, but ma'am, yesterday we do the ma'am means E number question also.
You completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yesterday
Okay,
we do
okay,
the
okay.
E also.
Now you are in mute, huh? Just mute yourself. Then start from A. No problem, okay? And if you do E 2 times, that is also no problem. Acha, yes, E already completed. Look, it is from F is there. Acha, just put the date. Write the date and CW. Mark 18F. Okay? Mark 18F. Acha, now it is given. Acha, off. In the last class, Divyanka, you told me about off. Now look, this off is there. Na? Basically, in place of off, we put this multiplication sign. Okay? Off means this sign. Look, it is given 3 by 7 of 140. Clear? That means 3/7 you will just put into 140. Clear or not? All of you? Is it clear? Okay, just shake your heads if it is clear. Junaid, all of you, Trisha, okay. Okay. Now we can just solve it. Look at this. 3/7, solve it first. Achha, is equal to first line you will write, huh? 3/7 of 140. Now just we can do cut cancellation. Do you know cut cancellation? Just shake your head. Basically, it means division. Look, 140 by nothing means what? 1 over there Now we can divide this 140 by 7. Basically, this is the division. Nothing more than that. Look, 7 twos are 14. This 0 will go there, right? So it will be 20. It will be 1. 320. 3 twos are 6. It will be clear. Completed all of you? Write the solution. Write the solution first. If written, then just show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay. Okay. Good. All the students. Show. Acha, show Majid. Okay. As if done. Show Jashish. Okay. Good. Acha, Adrita Das. Completed. Just no. Okay. I'm waiting. Write fast. Adrita, write fast. Now completed, Adrita? Okay. I am moving for the next one. Okay, G. Number G. Okay. Look, I am solving it over there. 13 by 15, right? 13 15th of 450. Just solve it first. Same, just in place of we will put into and then normal calculation. 450 by nothing means what? By 1. Now by 15 you can cut cancel. Acha, look. In the denominator there is 5. In the numerator there is 0. So both are divisible by 5. Yes or no? Both are divisible by 5. Okay, then we can do the cut cancellation by 5. 5 3s are 15. It will be 5 9 45. Okay. Then again look, this is 90. This is 3. Again 90 is divisible by 3. We can do the cut cancellation again. 3. This will be 30. Yes. Now just normal multiplication. 30 into 13. Again I am explaining. I am just rubbing the board. Again I am explaining this one. Look, 13 15th of 450. Write it. Note it down, all of you. Look, first it will be 90. It will be 3. Then again by 3 it will be 30. Clear to all of you? Show me your hands if it is clear to all of you. Okay. Ashmita, right? Mirza Miraj, acha, Mirza Miraj Beg, Shayan Haldar, Shafin Khan, just turn on your video and show. Okay, Sneha Khan, clear? Mirza, complete. This one is understood or not? Just show me your hands if yes, understood. Okay. Mirza, there is any doubt? Even I can't see you properly. Look, now just normal multiplication you have to do. There is 30. There is 30. Okay. Just do the normal multiplication over there. 313, 39, 390. This 0 will come. Solve it first. Shamia Rahman, completed all of you? If completed this one, just show me your hands in front of the camera. Okay, Oritra done. Ujan Bhakto? Ujan? Samia Rahman done. Okay, Ujan? You can't hear me properly? Shuhana Parveen, okay. Anushka, okay. Divyanka Debolin, okay. Junaid Trisha? Completed, okay, good. Good, good. Oishi, Shomojit, Ipshita, okay. Ashmita, done. Okay, 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 good. I am clearing the board and I am moving for the next sum, okay. Look at this. Number 8. It is very much easy. Look at this, 8 by 7 into 9 by 14. Okay. Just normal. Acha, card cancellation is only possible with the numerator and denominator, not numerator. Look, 8 is numerator, 9 is numerator, 7 is denominator, 14 is denominator, right? We can't do card cancellation with this denominator or with this numerator. We have to cut and cancel with numerator to denominator, either with 8 to 7 or with 8 to 14, with 9 to 14 or with 9 to 7, okay? Upper one and lower one. Clear to all of you? Okay. Now look, 8 by 7 into 9 by 14. Any cut cancellation is possible. Look, 8 is an even number, na? Acha, possible, okay. 8 is an even number and 14 is also even number. So both are divisible by 2, right? Exactly, okay, Shomojit, good. 2. That means by 2 we can do cut cancellation. Look, 8 will be 4 if we divide 8 by 2, then it will be 4. And if we divide 14 by 2, it will be, say, not Shomojit, any other student, I can read the leaf, huh? Oishi, yes. If we divide 14, then by 2, 7, na? Look, just look at this, huh, Oishi? Look, 7 2s are 14. Yes or no? Okay, okay. Just write over there 7. Clear? Okay. Now look, any cut cancellation is possible? No. Look, this 7 is in denominator. This 7 is also in denominator. So we will not cut them. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, okay. Now just we'll multiply. This numerator multiplication, denominator multiplication. Clear? 4 9s are 36 and 7s are 49. The answer will be 36 by 49. Do it fast. Copy it. Don't get slow. All of you, okay, okay. Ipshita completed, huh? Okay, Junaid also completed. Oishi completed. Shomojit also. Okay, huh? Debolin. Okay, Shoham completed. Rifa. Okay, okay. Trisha and Ashmita completed. Tehzeeb. Ashmita completed or not? Okay, good. I am moving for the next one, huh? Look at this. The next one. Already you have seen the answer, right? Acha. Look, write in decimal form. Acha, you can remember the decimal form. It was in class 4. Again, I am explaining, huh? Suppose in the denominator there are the numbers multiple of 10. Okay, 1 0 0 0 like this or 1 0. Look, suppose in the numerator part there are 324. Okay, and in the denominator part there is 100. That means multiple of 10. 1 0 0 0 form. If it is in form of multiple of 10, then just what to do? We will count how many zeros are there. How many zeros are there over this? 2 zeros are there. So the point will move 2 place before. Okay. The numerator is what? 324. We will consider the point is over there. Actually, the point is there. Okay. It is 324.00 like this. But if after the number, the decimal is there and there are after decimal there are 0, then if we don't write, that is no problem. Okay, we don't usually write this, but we'll consider. The point is over there. That means it will move 2 place before, as there are 2 zeros. Is it clear to all of you? That means the answer will be 3.24 or 3.24. Clear to all of you? Okay, Trisha, Anushka, okay. Acha, now look at the question. Look at this. Acha, it is given 16 divided by 1000. Look, how many zeros are there? Just say 3 exactly. That means point will move 3 place before, not after, just before. Yes or no? As it is division, but if it is multiplication, then after. Clear to all of you? Now, okay, now look, 3 place, but here are 16, only 2 digits are there. So we have to take 1 0 before 16. Look, 6 over there, 1 over there, 0 we have to take, as it is not 3-digit number. Clear? So now we have to put the decimal over there, and before decimal we will also put a 0. It will be 0.016. Just note it down. Written the answer. Show me your hands. Okay. Shuhana Parveen, okay. Amitrajit, okay. So Urjashi is good. Achha, some of you are not starting the video even. I can't understand. I don't know there is network problem or not. Pujan Bhakto, Orpon, Mirza, they are not starting their video. Okay. Achha, I am clearing the screen, huh? Okay, Mirza, good. Clear. Okay. Now look at this for the next one. Look, it is given, write in short form. Already you know how to write in short form expanded form. Look, 300 plus 60. This one is very much easy, you know, 360. But for the next one, next part, 0.3. Yes, and it will be 0.009 plus 0.009. Acha, 0.3 means what? 0.300 and 0.009. That means just we have to take the decimal and we have to put them according their place. With the help of their place, we have to put them. Look, 360. I am just writing 300 plus 60 plus 0.3 plus 0.009. Just put them according to their place. Look, 3 will be there, 0 is there, and this is 2-digit number, so it is 10th place. Write 6, and both ones place is 0. Now this decimal will come. Okay. Then after decimal, 3 is there and 0 over there. Just write 3. Then after that, 10th place. Okay. It is 10th, then 100th place, 1000th place. We have to take 10th place, it is 3. Then 100th place, it is 0. Because if we consider 0.300, then 100th, it is 9. Okay. So the answer is 360 decimal 309. All of you have written. Just show me your hands if you have written the answer. Okay. Shaurjasish, okay. Anushka Maiti, good. Mirza Miraz, good. Shuana Parveen, Ashmita, Mitrajit, Aritro, okay. Junaid Ka, Trisha, completed. Okay. Tehzeeb, Divyanka, completed. Divyanka, okay. Junaid, okay, good. Shomojit, Ipshita, Oishi. Shoham Mukherjee, completed. Just turn on your video. Debolin, completed. Okay, Debolin, good. Okay, Rifa, acha. Now I am moving for the next one, Okay, sum number 21. Just I am covering the answer. Twenty-one. Okay, this one is 21. Sum number 21. Just I am reading the question. Just listen, huh? I am reading the question. Look, 2/7 of the flowers in the flower pot are blue. Okay, there is a flower pot. Okay, and some flowers are there. 2/7 part of all the flowers are blue. Blue. Okay, and 3/7 of them, 3/7 of them are pink. Yes, the rest are purple. We don't know the rest. Okay, now if the flower pot has 28 flowers, that means total number of flowers 28. Now again I am explaining. Look at this. Total number of flowers, total flowers 28. Yes, yes. Okay, now 2/7 of 28 of flowers means what? Of total flowers, no? Of 28, yes. Oishi, yes. Yes, okay. 2/7 of 28 that are blue, no? Blue, and 3/7 of 28 same. Out of this 28, 2/7 are blue, 3/7 are pink. Clear? So you can find out the number of flowers which are blue and which are pink. Yes or no? Just in place of put into and solve it. Acha, how many blue flowers are there? Somojit? How many? If we cut these 7, 4s are 28. 4 2s are what? 8? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Ipshita, clear to? Trisha? Ah, okay, Divyanka, 8. Good. Acha. Now, same in the same way, you have to find the pink. 3/7 of 28. By 7, it will cut 4/7 28, 4 2, 4 3s are 12. Good, good. Okay. Acha, now write the statement properly. I am clearing the board. Just write the statement properly, huh? I'm just covering this calculation. Write it properly. Blue flowers. If you don't write the statement properly, then marks will be deducted. Okay, marks will be deducted. There will be marks deduction, so be careful, huh? Blue flowers 2/7 of 28. Look, it is already done. Pink flowers 3/7 of 28. It is 12. Completed. Now number of purple flowers, that means the rest, yes or no? Total to 28. So if we add these two, blue and pink, we'll get the total number of flowers which are blue and pink. Now if we subtract that portion, then we'll get the rest number, that is purple. Yes. Okay, okay, good. Now just solve it fast. Ashmita, done. Ashmita, done. Write the statement properly, huh? You have to write the statement also. In each and every class, I am telling you that you have to write the statement properly. But at the time of exam, I know you will definitely do the mistake. You will not do so. You will do the mistake or no? You will not. No, acha, just shake your head. Okay. Okay, good. Shamia Rahman, now just stop to shake the heads. Okay, shake the head. Yes, Suhana, Pavin. Okay. Acha, up to this, is there any doubt? Acha, at first complete. Huh? I am waiting at first complete this. Then I'll talk to you. Those who have completed, just show me your hands. Acha, Shamia completed. Shoujashish also. Mirza, Rifa. Mirza and Rifa. Ashmita completed. Okay, Suhana. Orithro, good. Amit Rajit. Junaid, Trisha, Dibyanka, Devolin, okay. Trisha completed Tom. Shoham, Shayan Aldar, Orpon, Ujan. Acha, Anushka, Shayan, Ujan and Orpon, you are not starting the video even. That's why I can't able to understand that you have completed or not. Acha, Safin completed Tom. Okay. Now I am moving for the next one. Before that, I am going to unmute all of you. If there is any doubt, you will just say, huh? Those who have doubt only they will say, not the other student. All of you unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Acha, at first,
Ma'am, I also have doubt in the 21 question, ma'am.
21, huh? Say. In the question, you have doubt only.
Yes, ma'am. I have also 21.
You also have 21. That means in that explanation part.
And 21 is easy.
Acha, wait, let me share 21. Huh? All of you just mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And from Devolin, some sound is coming.
Acha, oh, in 21 you have doubt in the question. Okay, look, I am explaining. Huh? Look, it is given 2/7 of the flowers in the flower pot. That means there is a flower pot. Okay. In that flower pot, look, there are 28 flowers. Clear? Acha, Devolin, probably some sounds are coming on your side. Just mute yourself. When you will say something, unmute. Okay? Okay. Acha, now just look at this. There are 28 flowers in that flower pot. Okay. Suppose I have asked you, half of the flower are blue. That means what? Half means what? 1/2 of this total is blue. That means what will be the answer? 14.
14.
In the same way, yes. In the same way, in place of half, the fraction is given 2/7. Clear? Suppose that means if we divide this 28 into 7 part, then only two parts are blue. Now it is clear. Suppose 28 flowers are there. We are dividing it into 7 part. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, some problem came in my laptop. Can I rejoin?
Okay. You can rejoin. Just leave the class and rejoin first, huh? Acha, look, there are 7 part. This part is erased, huh? This is not. Look, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 parts are there. Basically, this 28 is divided. If we divide this 28 into 7 parts, okay, then 2 parts of it are blue, 3 parts are pink. Now it is clear. Look, 2 parts are blue, these are blue, these 3 parts are pink, the rest are purple. Now it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, from?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say.
Can you help me one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am telling you that in my laptop there is some problem. Ma'am, can you, ma'am, in here, ma'am, no leave option is kept. Ma'am, can you, ma'am, means, ma'am, আপনি কি স্ক্রিনটা একবার বন্ধ করতে পারবেন মানে শেয়ারিংটা?
Okay, okay, wait, huh? Then you have to talk in English. Ma'am, can you stop to share the screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Stop sharing this.
Okay. Now look.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now, okay, ma'am, I am leaving and ma'am
Just
resigning
leave and
first.
join first. Ha. Acha, now I think there is no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now again all of you, I am just going to mute all of you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is saying? Who is saying, ma'am? Just raise your hand. Acha, Rifa. Okay. Rifa, unmute yourself and say. Rifa, unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, you have said now that those who are completed raise your hand. So I raise my hand and I am.
Okay, now look, I am sharing the screen again. Okay, for the next sum. Look. 21 is done. Now 21. Acha, it will be 22. I have marked as 20. Look. The next one. This one. Just cut it and write 22. Okay. 22. Okay, written. Acha, I am just covering. These are in the book, but you are in class 5, so you have to write in copy, not in book, right? Yes, okay. Acha, normal addition, you can do it, but you have to put the unit at the end of the addition, okay? Centimeter, meter, where it is needed, you have to put that unit. Clear? Acha, 22C. Look, I am not done A and B because it will be given as your homework, okay? Today I'll provide the homework and the deadline will be on Monday, okay? As I am not given homework on Monday, Tuesday, so I'll give the homework today and there will be a little more, okay? So you will submit on Monday. Don't worry, all the things will be written over there in that assignment portion. Acha, now just do it. Normal addition, I think I don't need to do this. Do it yourself and after doing, just raise your hands. After doing, just raise your hands. Tehzeeb, Tamanna, doing? Okay. Acha, raise your hand means don't send the sticker. Just like Junaid. Show the hand. Junaid, no need to show it 10 or 12 times. Okay. Okay, good. Shuana, okay. Divyanka first. Ashmita, right first. Okay, completed. Good. Rifa, Tamanna. Okay, Junaid also completed. Trisha also good. Now I am just clearing the board. You can check the answer. Okay. You can check the answer. It is 22. The answer is matching. Those who have not done, just write the answer. That's normal addition. Okay. 0 will come there and 9 plus 4, 13. 1 will be carried over there. It will be 12. 1 is carried over there. Then 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. Sorry. Acha, now solve number D. Acha, this one is subtraction. I have not mentioned addition or subtraction, right? It is subtraction, huh? Just write, put the subtraction minus sign over there. All of you, number D. All of you have done the subtraction or I'll show you. Okay, completed. So this is good. Acha, just it is borrowing subtraction, it is 2. We will consider this as 12. Then it will come 3. Yes, as we have borrowed, so it will be, there are 3 tens, it will be 2 tens, right? 2 will be there. Then it is 0. Doing to? I don't need to show it, I think. Look. Complete it first. Acha, Divyanka, you asked me in the last class that how bracket and off those are used. Huh? In the next class, I will explain about that portion. Okay, that means on Monday, and I'll give also some homework related to that part, but that will not be more difficult. Okay, easy sums. You can solve it, all of you. Okay. Yes, Tom. Okay. Acha, now I'll move the screen. Divyanka, you want to say something? Acha, just let me complete E, then I'm coming, huh? Only number E, up to E. From F, I'll do in the next class. E. Minus, do the normal subtraction. Write it first. You have to consider this 0 as 10, then it will be 3. Okay, it will be 1, this 2 will become 1, it will be 0, then it will be 5. Okay, then these are very easy, 64. Acha, also you have to write the unit in each where it is needed. Okay, that means 64 kiloliter, 503 liter. Look, I'm clearing the screen. Note it down first. Okay, so completed Tom. All of you, very good. Acha, now I am coming one by one if there is any doubt. Okay.